The dynamics of this bull market, this new bull market, are completely different than the last bull market. In the last bull market, I mean, who were the people that drove gold up to $850 and silver to $50? It was basically North America and Western Europe. The entire USSR, which, you know, all of Eastern Europe and Russia, that was a state-run economy. You couldn't buy gold or silver there. There was no exchanges, there was no place to buy it. China, India, Mexico, South America, these were basically all farming-based economies. These farmers didn't have any excess currency to buy gold and silver with, and even if they did, there were no exchanges in these countries either, so it couldn't have affected the worldwide spot price. Today, the entire world can buy gold and silver, and there are billionaires in all of those countries, and you got things like the Shanghai Stock Exchange. You know, this didn't exist back then.
We are the first to offer silver bullion as an investment opportunity. The price for the first batch of the bullion is set very low, close to the cost of the raw material. The investment threshold is not high, and it is more suitable for the general public. Silver is much cheaper than gold.
So there will come a day where all of the things like the information that silver is more rare than gold, that's going to become common knowledge. Right now, it's not 1 in 10,000 people that know this. But there's going to come a day where the majority of the people that are interested in investing or markets or have a retirement account, if they've got anything, you know, if they're not starving people in Africa, they are going to know something about gold and silver, and they're going to find out that silver is more rare than gold. Where do you think the price is going to go then?
If we do have a currency collapse, like there have been other currency collapses around the world, you know, people will go to the precious metals, and the precious metals will have a price that we can't imagine. You might even get to the situation where people will not want to accept dollars in exchange for their gold and silver. They're going to want
no matter how many zeros.
The difference between gold and silver is gold is hoarded, silver is consumed. Silver is an industrial precious metal. It is used in cell phones, telephones, computers, electric lights, everywhere. The more information age we become, the more we use silver. And what Michael is saying is that stockpile is at all-time lows, and they're not discovering much more.
Silver is the most reflective, most electrically conductive, and most thermally conductive element that there is, and in most cases there is no replacement. It's an element, not a compound or a molecule. So you can't like rearrange a bunch of atoms in a molecule and come up with an alternative for silver. It's a single atom. You know, every time you use up a cell, you know, you get a new cell phone and you throw away your old one or whatever, whenever you type, you're typing on silver. You look at a DVD or a CD, you're looking at silver. When you look in the mirror, you're looking at silver. And eventually all that stuff ends up in landfills. And in most cases, it's not economically feasible to recover the silver out of these products. My business partner, Brent Harms, just wrote an article called Christmas Time in a Silver Mine. And he was down in Mexico during Christmas and was able to go down inside a working silver mine. And they were telling him how a lot of the silver mines are currently being mothballed right now because they can't dig it up and sell it at a profit at these prices. It's below mining costs on the average. There's a few companies out there that can make a profit at this price, but not many. You can't have a commodity that the world is running out of, like silver, that's below mining costs. That's a situation that can't last.
It is not crystal ball. You know, it is not about, you know, the stuff on television. It is pure supply, demand, economics, fundamentals. As I said, there's 2 billion people wanting the Western lifestyle. 2 billion people wanting cell phones, computers, electricity, lights, all of this stuff.
I mean, right now, silver's price is 1/65th of gold's price. The price is definitely being suppressed. The evidence is in the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission reports. There's a guy named Theodore Butler who has been following this for years and exposing the manipulation. So